Yeah, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the Mike Mbadiwe. Today I have yet another amazing software for you. This one is called Clever AI and is from Rakesh Bahera and Kamal, his friend. And this one is an AI powered application that creates mind-blowing funnels, AI videos, AI images, AI codes, blog posts. You can own your own ChatGPT, ChatBot, and of course much more in just a matter of few minutes. And you don't need any coding, you don't need any tech setup, and no experience or marketing is required. And of course, this is an amazing product from what it does, as you can see. And of course, at any time you decide to get a copy of this product, the first link below in my description area will bring you to this amazing page for the sales page for Clever AI. You can pick up a copy here with a discounted amount, and also you can pick up a copy with this very button. When you do, a copy of this will definitely be yours. If you stick with me, I will show you through the pricing and the amazing bonuses that I have lined up for you, which are going to actually be able to give you a very good incentive to purchase this product, and then of course use the bonuses to complement with it. If you stick with me, I will show you through the very video of this product in action, which is exactly where you find the dashboard, and of course we go from there. Okay, now let's see what benefits you have with Clever AI from what Rakesh Bahera, my friend, is saying. With this, you can create and sell your own chatbot application, create and sell unlimited images, create and sell AI videos, sell AI code, SEO content, blogs, Android and iOS code, and you can also create and sell website code, create and sell unlimited internet data, and of course sell highest quality AI content, automated grammar and punctuation checks. You start your own marketing agency. You stop all your monthly fees in these other big weeks where you pay a lot monthly and yearly, and then you say goodbye to monthly fees. Free commercial license is included, white label license is included for first 250 buyers, and you have 30-day money back guarantee on this one, which means if for any reason or without any reason you want to return this product before the 30 days expires, you'll be able to do so and get your refund. And then of course here you have some of the engagement and sales breaking records with these beta testers and students of this creator. You can see what they have been able to amass in a day, and the rest of them, it goes on and on. You have 3 basic steps as usual. Okay, the first one will be to log in and type your query. Just log in and type in your command on the keyboard area, search area, and then it works on any device. And step 2 will be to generate desired content according to your keyword or your voice command within seconds. And of course, Clever AI will generate such unique images, videos, and ad copy and content that it looks like human content. And the third one will be to generate profit from this very effort, and this is done under one single dashboard. Okay, so you have all the information you need there. And if you go to some of these other marketplaces where you outsource services to people, this is the kind of money you will be actually paying to a copywriter to do exactly what Clever AI is going to do for you. Here you have 435 from this very person. You have also 1,750 from this person. He said you are certified Clavio expert. He has a skill and he is using it to make money, and that same skill that he has, you can do with this Clever AI. And of course have your own gigs there on Fiverr or any of the other work service marketplaces, and you'll be able to get things done for people and of course make money yourself. So that's exactly the concept behind this Clever AI, which is actually clever in itself. And so you can go on and go through the very sales page at your convenience when you arrive here. Like I said, at any point you decide to buy, that first link below in my description area. And I will remind you not to forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell icon for notification. Definitely you will be able to see how it creates all of these things for you. AI and sell art images. You can sell art images. You can create and sell AI codes to people, which they can just turn out to be probably a website, a coded website. You can give a code and get it installed in WordPress and get their website operational. So you have the ability also to sell Android and iOS code. So many things that we have already gone through, grammatical checkup and all of that. You can do all of that with this very application, and then you will be able to avoid some of these yearly payments you have with people like Canva, iStock, Grammarly, which I am a victim of actually. And then you have Killbot, and you have also Smart Writer AI and Word AI, and it goes on, and all the amounts they pay on a monthly basis and yearly basis. ClickFunnels, Wix.com, and Jasper. So you see, this is what is putting one from the concept, and from what I'm reading, it's putting anybody who is interested into becoming such an expert with AI, which always looks like human content. Okay, so because I don't know how they do it, but I've tested it, and I guess it works. So it will be honorable if you can consider this one, if you are looking to create income online as an agent of creating videos, AI images you can sell on Fiverr or any other place. So it gives you business in a box from my own understanding of the instrument, which is Clever AI. So I will leave that decision for you to make when you arrive here, so that we can find time to go and look at the very dashboard, which is exactly this. Here is the dashboard. Unfortunately, I am waiting for Rakesh to send the password to the review access, but I guess it's not ready. So I'm going to use for review purposes this very demo video to show you exactly how it works. And here you have the dashboard, the open AI setting, the AI chatbot, AI copywriter. You have AI image tool, where you actually do your image, generate your image using a keyword or a voice command. You have video search here. You have AI tools, agency, and tutorials to this very setup of application for you, your system, and how you are going to operate it. You can get those tutorials with this button. But now let us actually see exactly what this product does and how it works briefly, because I will leave the link in my description area to the demo video and VSL videos in case you want to check them out. But for now, let us see a little bit of the video and see what it can do. Now it's doing a command, a keyword command, and this is the result. So it's trying to generate image. This is 3D cartoons, image editor. I guess templates. Product name generator setting. Now is on AI tools, micro story creator setting. Good. So it's a very clever one. Actually, that's the much we can do with that very video, whose link I'm going to put in my description. Now let us see the pricing for this amazing product before I show you the bonuses that I have for you. So the front end goes for $17, which gives you access to the software we've just seen in action. And of course, with this you can write a copy and content that converts and you can generate months of social media content in minutes, which is what I actually do in my TikTok, and write SEO optimized blog posts 10 times faster with Clever AI, and you have a lot of them, a lot of incentives, a lot of benefits with this one. The OTO number 1, which is the unlimited version, that means everything is basically unlimited. You have it for $47 down sell, and then with this you can lock 10 plus AI premium tools on unlimited access to all features, and you have pro version come with more premium features and priority customer support. You have OTO number 2, upgrade number 2, which is Clever AI done for you. Everything is done for you. In this case, it goes for $197, and this team will set up an account for you and work one-on-one with the support team. Okay, you have the OTO number 3, Clever AI agency. It goes for $47, and this one you'll be able to create unlimited accounts which you can sell. Okay, and you can manage user and add user from the dashboard and change them anything you like. Okay, it's easy to use agency dashboard claims. And of course, you have the upgrade number 4, Clever AI reseller, goes for $67, and that's about all the OTOs we have here. Number 4 reseller, which means you'll be able to resell this product and keep the profit across the entire funnel 100%. Okay, so that's what you have with the pricing for this one. Now let me show you the crazy bonuses that I have lined up for you. Number 1 is Latitude, which is a unique and beginner-friendly spin on push-button profits, which gives you access to learn how to make money on NFTs, blockchain, digital exchange for digital ads, which is called the non-fungible token. Okay, so you have the bonus number 2, which is a Chrome extension application called TweetX, which drives traffic from Twitter, now X, to any offer or link of your choice. Could be a website that is created with this application, Clever AI. You have bonus number 3, Insurgency, which is how to master Facebook ads for affiliate marketing, a complete training course for beginners and seasoned marketers who are learning new skills. And you have also bonus number 4, Lazy Traffic Sniper. This one will give you access to free buyer traffic online, and how it does it you'll be able to discover when you eventually get here. You have also the bonus number 5, JavaScript Commission Bot, which is a bot application that is installed in your system that drives traffic from different sources online to enable you to make up to 4 figures daily commissions. You have also the number 6, the lockdown formula, which is for me my favorite online training course for anybody who is starting afresh, because I started with it, and I can proudly say that anybody can do so as well with this very opportunity on the bonus. And now you have the number 7, which is the last, which is the commission toolbox. Without the tools, nobody can operate. Okay, so now you have over 1,000 different links that will give you access to different capabilities, including some of which Clever AI is doing already, and then you can have access to more and more. If you click that link below in my description area, that first link, it will definitely drive you to my sales page where you buy this product. After your purchase, under your purchase history, you will find a page that looks like this. This button green gives you access to Clever AI, and this blue one gives you access to this amazing and crazy, insane, mad bonuses that I have for you, which will definitely help you immensely to upgrade your status online. And with that, we are going to have to come towards the end of this review. I hope that you find it entertaining in a way that you will be able to make up your mind on that. But whatever happens, this is tell you that I will always come here to actually give you reviews on products that are going to help you make money online. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and use the bell icon for notification. And I will be back to you in my next review. Till then, I remain your Mike of MikeMbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here. And from me, guys, from here, it's goodbye.